Scientists pulled a tiny animal out of frozen Siberian soil, thawed it, and it started swimming and having babies. It had been frozen solid for 24,000 years. That's older than the pyramids, older than farming, older than almost all of human history. So how does a living thing survive being a block of ice for that long? Let's break it down. The creature is called a deltoid rotifer, and it's smaller than a grain of sand. It normally lives in ponds and damp soil, quietly drifting through the water. But this little animal has a superpower that borders on cheating death. When its world freezes or dries out, it doesn't die. It simply hits pause. Its body powers down almost completely, its heartbeat of chemistry going nearly silent. In this state, it can wait, not for days or years, but for thousands of years. This one waited in the permafrost since the age of woolly mammoths and cave lions. But that's not even the strangest part. Freezing is normally deadly for living cells. As water turns to ice, it forms sharp crystals. Those tiny crystals act like microscopic knives, slicing cells apart from the inside. So the rotifer uses a clever trick to protect itself before it freezes. It floods its body with special protective molecules that cushion its cells against the ice. It even has an unusual ability to repair its own damaged DNA once it wakes up. That combination lets it thaw out and simply carry on as if no time has passed at all. When researchers warmed this ancient sample, the rotifer came back to life and started reproducing. No mate needed. These animals clone themselves, so one survivor can rebuild a whole population. Think about that. A creature that skipped 24,000 years and woke up ready to make more of itself. And here's why scientists are so fascinated by it. If we can understand how it protects and repairs its cells, we might learn to freeze other living tissues safely. That could mean better ways to store organs for transplants or preserve cells for medicine. It even hints at the far-off dream of freezing larger life for long journeys or long waits. For now, that's still science fiction. Freezing a whole human safely is a completely different challenge. A human body is enormous and complex compared to a speck-sized rotifer. But nature already solved the puzzle in miniature tens of thousands of years ago. This tiny animal is living proof that life can pause, wait out an ice age, and simply resume. The next time you think 24,000 years is a long time, remember something out there slept right through it. Would you freeze yourself to wake up in the year 4000? Tell us in the comments and subscribe to BrainBites for more.